progress so far. Trying to leave a little bit of rust, not too much. Not trying to take it all off. Getting closer. Let me go ahead and keep going. Aubrey, do you like painting?
Yeah.
Or you just like helping me?
No, this painting.
Oh, you just like painting?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So we're gonna put it all on the rusty spots. Aubrey, you're doing a good job.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, don't get it on me.
Yeah, we just finished painting.
You're eating now.
I want cookies are drunk.
Can I have one? Oh my.
They're snacks for all the hard work.
Uncle Warm.
And Hero, all his hard work.
So the difference I can tell is this one's a lot smoother. You can see all the spots we missed. Right here. Right here. I think we got a little rain this morning. And this one's a lot rougher compared to the other one. This is smoother. We had done this part. It's a lot rougher. But it still covers the same. But I didn't want to bore y'all to death, so I went ahead and started buffing the rest of this. But don't forget to blow it off with your air. But slow and steady. It's getting better.
Be back in a minute.
Alright, been busy the last couple days. So, go ahead and show you what we got so far. The paint's done dried. Looks a lot better. Don't have to worry about looking at a rusty frame whenever I get a fresh paint job on there. Oh yeah, much better. So now we got that finished. Next project is rolling it back in the shop. We're about to go ahead and start the KDP. Got another water pump. Got seals. We got a few things that we gotta change. Got some injectors. Tapper cover. Gotta advance the timing. Slowly but surely. Comment below if y'all want to see any more.